Greeting guys, welcome back to another episode on your DIY channel. Today we are going to review this solar powered spotlight. This solar powered spotlight is 150 watts and is powered by a solar powered board. The description of the board is given here. Okay, so the reason of this video is very crucial because there are a lot of products out there these days which is powered by solar, especially when it comes to lighting, right? And there is a lot of difficulty we face when we want to purchase such products because we do not know what the seller claim is going to be true or false. So for this case, the seller claimed that this light is able to supply continuous light for at least 7 to 8 hours. So it got my interest, so I purchased this. I will put the link later in the description. I will review this light in detail on how much operation time or how long on its operation time it can produce the light without any failure, right? So this is how it looks like. So when you buy and when you unbox, you will basically get the solar spotlight itself, and then you will get the board, okay? And of course you will get, I think, about 5 meters or so of the cable. Okay, so they will give you a long cable, and there is a waterproof connection. Okay, and it also comes with a remote. They give you a remote with the battery supply inside. This one they are using a AAA type batteries. Okay, and they will give you the bracket to install the light, and they will also give you stainless steel wall plugs for you to be able to mount this on the wall. So it's quite convincing in the package. So this is the remote. So you have the off on button, okay, and you have different intensity of brightness. Basically this is 50% brightness, this is 100% brightness, and you can set the timer of the light, whether you want the light to on for 8 hours, 5 hours or 3 hours, or you can set it to auto. Auto means the light will on when it doesn't detect any sunlight, meaning which in the evening, in my case, if I put auto, I notice every day sharp 7:30 p.m. the light goes on. Okay, and morning about 8 a.m. sharp the lights goes off, and automatically the solar board does its job by charging the battery inside. Okay, so you can see here you have 3 LED, and there is another green color LED here. Okay, this green color LED will light up when all the battery is fully charged. So currently the battery is at 3 bar. Okay, so 3 bar is considered full or near to full, because if 3 bars doesn't blink, the green light will light on, right? So you have an array of LED lights, okay, of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5, so 8 by 5. So 8 by 5. So let's see how is the brightness. If I press on, so this is now at 100%. Okay, and this is now at 50%. So 50% is slightly low intensity, 100% is full bright, right? and obviously I have the 8, 5 and 3 hours, and I also have auto. So without further ado, let's review this in detail. We will do the measurement of the light intensity and how long it can last on its operation time and so forth. So will it, the question we have to ask, or the question which we need to answer or you are waiting for is, can this solar powered light 150 watts light up continuously for 7 to 8 hours, giving you either full brightness or half of the brightness? So stay tuned till the end of the video. Thank you. Okay, I have opened up this light now just to see what is inside. So upon opening up, you can see the battery pack. Okay, there is no any label on the battery pack. So later we will measure using the multimeter. And just below the battery pack is a thin aluminium plate where all the LED is mounted, and you also have different type of chips. I believe these are the battery management system board embedded on this LED board, and also the solar control board, because the brown and blue wire is coming from the solar, hence it charges the battery, and the battery wire is red and black, it goes to the LED. So very simple design, and you obviously have a thin rubber stripe all around. So when you mount this back, the rubber get squeezed a bit and it becomes waterproof. So design is very simple, neat and sleek. And the whole housing, this is all aluminium, cast aluminium. Okay, so we are going to test the light at 100% brightness. So at 100% brightness, we are getting around 420 times 10 to the power of 1 lux. Okay, the time now is 7 p.m. This solar light has been charged under full hot sun today. Today we have a very good hot sun for more than 7 hours. I think give and take also about 8 hours solid sunlight. Okay, so we have 3 bars. 3 bars indicates the battery is fully charged, right? So we are going to measure now the brightness of this light. So I need to off my flashlight. Okay, okay, so we're going to measure the brightness of the light. So I'm going to on the light now. We're going to measure 100% and 50%. So this is 100% and this is 50%. So we're going to measure now at 100%. Hold on. Hold it back. So full brightness is going to be 100%. So this is full brightness, right? So we are getting about 2000. You can see we are getting about 2000 times 10 to the power of 1 lux. Okay, so this is full bright. So let's see if I make it to half bright. So half bright, basically reduce almost half. So you can see getting like about 1100 or so times 10 to the power of 1 lux. So we are going to do a basic calculation on the electricity consumption in Ringgit Malaysia using this current 100 watt solar powered spotlight. Okay, so we are assuming it is used for 8 hours per day and the power rating is 100 watt. Hence, we will be getting about 0.8 kilowatt hour per day. So, the consumption of Ringgit Malaysia per day is about 0.17, as you can see in equation 3. And if you are using it for 1 month, it will be 5 ringgit 41 cents per month, with the assumptions given as per below. We move on now to the consumption of ringgit Malaysia using a conventional electric fluorescent light, which is 36 watts. Okay, so this 36 watts we have, or it is currently being used, 5 pieces, 5 units of it is being used, and the same thing, it is used for 8 hours per day. So we times by 5 units, we will be getting about 1.44 kilowatt hour per day, which is shown in equation 1. Hence, if we are going to use it per month, we are going to get about 9 ringgit 73 cents per month, which is shown in equation B. So now we can do a very brief summary. The summary is, a solar powered spotlight, the consumption is 5 ringgit 41 cents. Electrical fluorescent light is 9 ringgit 73 cents. So what will be the savings in your electricity bill is about close to 50%, where here is shown 45%. So this is the advantage of moving towards solar powered lighting system. Screw here given is not stainless steel, right? It comes stock made of iron, so it tend to rust over time, so you might want to change it to stainless steel for both sides, left and right. Okay, overall no comments, good product, highly recommended to have, especially in your home's application. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Please do subscribe to the channel, guys. So till we meet again, regards and all the best.